Okay.
Did you click record?
It's recording. Good throw, man. Haha. Butterfingers. Man, I put the camera up and you throw a crazy pass. You don't want to be a YouTube kid that doesn't throw a good ball. Good one. Good job, baby. Good oh, Daddy dropped it. I got the Butterfingers now, baby. Good throw, man. Okay, give me a throw from there. Give me your best Brett Favre. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. Good throw, man.